What an awesome opportunity to own a slice of East Texas. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home, one stall currently used as a workshop area, can be converted back, sits on approximately 6 acres and is ready for you. Updates include granite countertops in both kitchen and baths, stainless appliances, subway tile backsplash in kitchen, and laminate floors. The formal dining/living area is an excellent flex space, perfect for home office, playroom, exercise room, etc. Just adds versatility to the home. The living area with fireplace and built-ins is spacious and is open to breakfast area and kitchen. The primary bedroom has an ensuite bath and walk-in closet. The 2 guest rooms share a full hall bath and provide ample space for family or guests. Oversized laundry room with extra storage too. Plus woods to provide privacy. There is an old home on the property, no value goven.